Hey everyone, welcome back to Bear's Workshop. We are here at ElectraMeccanica and we're taking a look at the new factory. We're not getting in, we don't plan on it, but we just wanted to come by. Everything's done on the outside, so it looks pretty good. So we stopped by, we spoke to somebody. We're gonna see if we can get some better information in the future, get some sort of relationship working with the guys here at ElectraMeccanica. We do see up front, there's a lobby that's been created. It's not open yet, but there's a solo in there. We'll get you a picture of that, but we're just gonna go over quickly what we see here, which right now is not much. It's early in the morning, it's about 8:30. There's probably about 30 cars in the parking lot, and we're hoping to get an update in the next couple of weeks about what kind of progress is going on here. And maybe we'll get lucky and we'll get like a factory invite at some point in the future. So let's take a look at what's going on the outside real quick. Okay, here's the solo that's in the lobby area. You can see my reflection. We've got a decent amount of reflection going on here. I'll bring it up real close. It's not gonna be the greatest picture, but this is the front area, and then there's a conference room in the back. Nothing more to see in here, but that's one thing I wanted to share with you. Okay guys, we're back in the office and we just want to recap a couple of things. First thing, the stock closed at 147 this past Friday. The 52-week high was 410 and the low is 122. The market cap right now is $174.4 million. For quarter one, ElectraMeccanica produced 170 units and delivered 45 of those. The large difference in the production to delivered, not exactly sure what that's about, but they did have $215 million of working capital, and the Mesa, Arizona plant is expected to be online by the end of the year. This is our fourth visit to the factory site, and if you want to see some of the previous videos, just check out our playlist for ElectraMeccanica. Also on there is a test drive of the Solo that we did last summer-ish, and that was a pretty cool drive, so please check that out. That's also on the playlist. Now, we are waiting for results on quarter two, which should happen in a couple weeks, but there's no date yet, but we will do something with that, and we'll put something out there for you in case you guys missed it. And if you want to see more of these videos, please hit the subscribe button. If you like this one, hit the like button, and we will see you next time. So everyone, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.